Up to 21 people were killed in Friday's attack on a restaurant popular with foreigners in the Afghan capital, after a suicide bomber blew himself up near the entrance and gunmen burst in to spray diners with bullets. The International Monetary Fund's (IMF) representative in Afghanistan and 4 United Nations staff were among the dead, who included 13 foreign nationals, police said. Islamist Taliban insurgents claimed responsibility for the attack on a Lebanese restaurant in the capital's central Wazirat Barkhan district, which hosts many embassies and restaurants catering for expatriates. Such targeted attacks against civilians are completely unacceptable and are in flagrant breach of international humanitarian law, UN spokesman Farhan Haq said. They must stop immediately. The stutter of gunshots rattled the district for several minutes after the blast around 7:30 p.m. A busy dining time when expatriates in Kabul tend to eat out. One of the survivors, Sulaiman, who worked as a cook at the restaurant, said he escaped from the gunman after hearing the explosion outside.